In my dream home, I think I'd definitely love to have a lot of things, but I don't know. That's so hard.
You know, I've got to think, hey, there's a lot of things I would love in my dream house. There's actually a lot. I can't say indoor pool with a jacuzzi and a slide, right?
Giant barn full of my animals.
I like a big pool and entertainment area to invite friends and spend quality time with them.
In my dream home, I would love a massive indoor pool and heaps of room.
In my dream house, I'd like to have a big boathouse overlooking the water.
I'd have a massive entertainment home theatre. Because I've got 6 kids, so we could have our own, you know.
In my dream house, I'd like to have probably a big theatre room with some nice ceiling timbers.
So in my dream home, you can't go past a good deck. I love a good deck.